Hello, everyone, and how is everyone doing? I hope okay. Thanks for clicking on this quick video, and please just bear with me for a few moments. I do not want to waste anyone's time, but I would be doing myself a disservice if I did not try to bring this important history event that needs to be shared with the world. So let me cut to the chase. My name is MC Envy, and I'm an intellectual. A lot of people call me a know-it-all, but I can deal with that. This is not about me or my channel or asking for subscribers. This is about you, the people, the human race. Please take a moment of your time and put down your iPads, iPhones, Androids. Unless you're using them to watch this video, then please, by all means, keep watching them. And watch these three gentlemen that I'm about to bring you. Tell your man, be quiet. Tell your woman, be quiet. But do it as nice as possible. You need to watch Bob Lazar, Dr. StevenGreer, and Ross Coulthart. The information and knowledge that these men have and are sharing to the world is of such importance that I feel it is a necessity and my job to bring this to you. If you have not seen them or not heard anything that they are involved in, but some of you might already know about them. Now, I am not a fan and I am not subscribed to Joe Rogan, but you need to at least watch Bob Lazar on the Joe Rogan Experience, number 1315, which, as of this moment, has been viewed over 61 million times. Again, I am not a fan of Joe Rogan, and there is nothing in this for me to be sending you over to his channel. But you have to watch Bob Lazar's interview with Jeremy Corbell and Joe Rogan. The second most incredible interview, which is a must-see, and by no stretch of the imagination, is Dr. StevenGreer on the Sean Ryan Show. Go to Dr. StevenGreer's channel and watch this interview, which, as of this moment, has over 3 million views. And last but not least, another must-see video is by Ross Coulthart, who's on the Reality Check podcast on News Nation. As of now, this episode has been viewed over 964,000 times. It's the episode called Ross Reveals the Inspiration to Investigate UFO Stories. So, to finish this, again, I do not gain anything by sending you all to these channels to watch, but I feel I must introduce these men to everyone with whatever tools I have. And since I do have a small YouTube channel, what better way to do it? What better way to do a most valuable service to the world if I can enlighten everyone to watch this most educational and knowledge-based videos? Please do yourself a favor and check them out. Everyone have a pleasant and unbelievable learning experience. Good night from your boy, MC Envy.